Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save and access your saved threads on Threads using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Threads and some threads that we have compiled within the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram by the shortcut through the bookmarks tab. Click on this, make sure that you are signed into your account. Go to profile, let's now go to our Threads handle, Computer Science Videos. Wait for that to load. Make sure that you are signed into your Threads account. So now once we're on our profile, let's just scroll through a couple of threads. We can either go into a thread, click the top corner, 3 dots, then click on save that thread. Go back one, go to another thread, follow the same protocols, click on save. Let's now go to pin to home, click on saved, and then we should be able to locate and access all these saved threads that have been added to the saved section. If we wish to, we can click the 3 dots and then unpin that from our page. So therefore that's no longer visible. Go back to the profile. So let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.